and welcome to the Tech Talk series. My name is Joy Macknight, and I'm Technology Editor at The Banker. I'm joined today by Gene Vayngrib, CEO and co-founder of Tradle, which uses blockchain to ease the pain of KYC, know your customer, in retail banking. Gene, thanks so much for joining us today. Can you tell me a little bit about what Tradle does?
Yes, thank you for having me here. Tradle is creating a KYC network on blockchain, basically a KYC utility, and we are saying that we're marrying the beauty and the beast. The beauty, the sexiest technology on earth, the blockchain, and the hairiest prince of banking, compliance. And the way we do it is we let the customer go through the process of onboarding within a bank or insurance company and then own their KYC records. So they are fully in control of their identity records.
Excellent. And so what pain points were you trying to solve as a company?
So, several pain points. One pain point for the banks, because compliance, KYC specifically, is a really costly process for them. So we are optimizing that, and we're giving customer control over their KYC records, and now they don't have that. So when they need to buy another financial product, even within the same bank very often, they need to get onboarded again, and this is not a good customer experience.
I know, because it takes so long, and it can be quite a struggling, process for their customers.
And customers are saying that the bank should know me already by now, so they don't understand.
Okay, and I have to say, blockchain is a bit of, has confounded a lot of people. Is there any way that you could give us maybe a high-level explanation, obviously in a very short period of time?
Yeah, absolutely. The blockchain, as with every paradigm shift, and we struggled when the internet came in. What is internet? How is it going to change our lives? How does it work? And the same with the blockchain. Blockchain is a unique technology, something that, if you can imagine how much money banks are spending on protecting their data centers, and now there's a database that's sitting outside of the firewalls, outside of that protection, and is still holding on its own. So this, to me, is just a miracle, short of a miracle. And the second part is, it's like an open book into which multiple participants can write at the same time. And this is amazing as well, because currently within the bank, the database to which they write all their records of our accounts and our transactions, that database is owned by the bank, controlled by the bank. And now there is a database sitting outside of the bank into which multiple banks and people can write records. And this is another innovation. That's amazing.
And then just my last question is really around, you've been a part of an accelerator program, Startup Bootcamp. Sort of what were the pros and cons of being a part of that, and what were the challenges that you faced?
Yeah, the pros are amazing. We came out of the program in 3 months. We have 6 pilots over 2 banks, and this is just unheard of. Usually the sales cycle to the banks is a year and a half. So this is just phenomenal. But the work that we had to put in, the amount of hours that we had to work every day, it was unbelievably intense. I never worked that hard in my life. But you cannot get there in the financial world. If you're starting a company, cannot get there fast enough unless you join an accelerator. And Startup Bootcamp is the best of them all.
That's great. Thanks so much for joining us today, Gene.
Thank you.